Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to invite a new admin to your WhatsApp channel using the latest steps for 2025. Whether you want help managing updates or simply want to share responsibilities, adding an admin is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the channel you want to manage. Next, head over to the Updates tab. This is where all your channels are listed. Find your channel and tap on it to open. Once inside your channel, look at the top right corner of the screen for the three dots icon. Tap on these three dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Channel Info. This will take you to a page with all the details about your channel, including settings and admin controls. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Invite Admins. Tap on this, then tap Invite to begin the process. A list of your contacts will appear. Scroll or search to find the person you want to make an admin. Tap on their name to select them, and then confirm your choice. WhatsApp will send an invitation to your selected contact. The invitation appears as a chat message from your personal WhatsApp account, not the channel itself. Your contact will need to accept this invitation to become an admin. If they accept, they'll be able to help you manage channel info and post updates. Remember, as the channel owner, you can invite up to 16 admins at a time, and you'll be notified when someone accepts your invitation. A few things to keep in mind. Invited admins will see your phone number, and only you, as the channel owner, can delete the channel or remove other admins. For added security, encourage your admins to enable two-step verification. That's it. You've successfully invited a new admin to your WhatsApp channel. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who manage WhatsApp channels. Thanks for watching and happy channel managing.